Can you change name on Agoda? Hey everyone, today we're going to see if you're able to change your name on the Agoda app. So let's just jump right in. If you're trying to make a name modification on Agoda and you're not able to do so, there might be a reason why. So the first thing you can do is open up your Agoda app, or if you're using the browser version, you can open up your browser and head over to agoda.com. Once you land on the profile page, just make sure that you're logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in at the top right. So if you want to make any modifications on your profile, tap on the three lines, scroll down until you find your account section, and simply go ahead and tap on my account. Or you could see this my profile option. And you're going to see the user details option here, your name, your email. If you've added your phone number, you can see that as well, and you can make your password change from here. But if you tap on your name, as you can see, nothing happens because Agoda does not allow you to make name changes once your account has been verified. So if you really want to change a name, then you are going to have to create a new account with a new name. But in case if you want to modify this, you can simply go ahead and contact their customer support. So tap on the help center, and then from here you can go to their chatbot or their customer service and just type in, I want to change my name. So once you've typed this in, tap send, and you can click on the continue option and follow their instruction if they allow you to change your name. But usually they won't allow you to do so once your account has been verified. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.